Welcome back to Kenz Quizzes. 100 general knowledge questions everyone should know. How many days are there in a normal year? 365. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Pentagon. How many zeros are there in 100,000? 5 zeros. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Which month of the year has the least number of days? February. Which animal is known as king of the jungle? Lion. How many days do we have in a week? 7. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? 21. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. In which direction does the sun rise? East. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3. Which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia. What is the proper series of vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. How many hours are there in 2 days? 48 hours. How many months of the year have 31 days? 7. How many weeks are there in 1 year? 52. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU. What is the name of the biggest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which organ can regenerate itself? Liver. How many bones does an adult human have? 206. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which is the capital city of France? Paris. What is the direction of the clock? Anti-clockwise. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? 2. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters. How many days are there in February in a leap year? 29 days. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Sun. What do you call a house made of ice? Igloo. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Sun. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. How many lungs does the human body have? 2. What is the standard taste of water? Water is tasteless. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the fastest animal on land? Cheetah. Which continent is known as dark continent? Africa. Who conducted the famous kite experiment to demonstrate the electrical nature of lightning? Benjamin Franklin. Which is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which is the tallest animal on Earth? Giraffe. Which is the most sensitive organ in human body? Skin. Which is the largest democratic country of the world? India. What is the process called when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? Metamorphosis. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which is the highest and largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? June 5th. How many years are there in a century? 100. Which is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi. What is the standard number of players in a cricket team? 11. How many legs does a spider have? 8. Who is the inventor of radio? Guglielmo Marconi. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Dove. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. During which year World War I began? 1914. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. How many Cricket World Cups has India won by 2024? 2. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Tibetan Plateau. How many teeth does a healthy adult have, including the wisdom teeth? 32. Which is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the main food that pandas eat? Bamboo. Which is the continent with most number of countries? Africa. On average, a chameleon's tongue is roughly twice the length of its body. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Which of these is a renewable energy source? Solar. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? Paris. What type of gas is mainly responsible for global warming due to its excess? Carbon dioxide. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? 52. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? Amazon rainforest. Which African nation provides over 45% of the world's cocoa beans for chocolate production? Ivory Coast. Which body part consumes the most energy? Brain. What instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Anemometer. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. How many planets are there in our solar system? Eight. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Africa. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. What is the top color in a rainbow? Red. How many years are there in a millennium? . 1000. Which country is home to kangaroos? Australia. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of which country? United States. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Binary language. Which animal lays the biggest egg in the world? Ostrich. What covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface? Oceans. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Diamond. Which is the biggest hot desert in the world by land area? Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who was the teacher of Alexander the Great? Aristotle. What does SIM in SIM card stand for? Subscriber Identification Module. Which is the first element in periodic table? Hydrogen. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Indian Constitution. Which is the largest joint in the human body? Knee joint. What does the internet prefix www stand for? World Wide Web. Which of these animals is not a reptile? Cat. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Steps. How many stripes are there on the US flag? Yes. 13. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Milky Way. Subscribe for more educational videos like this.